space I was in, because the current was so strong there compared to the rest of it, and I was like, right, no bloody wonder, like, they're making everyone get out of that part. I was like, right, that explains it. Honestly, I just embarrassed myself on the whole entire beach. On the waves, so fun.
You were floating in Mexico.
Yeah, I was just getting knocked out left, right and centre. Tragic. I think me and the girls are going to book another holiday. We were just talking about this morning actually in the chat. I just need some more sun, but that'll be like summertime. But now, do you when you've just come back from holiday, do you feel like it's a holiday recover from your holiday? That's what I feel like. Even though I wasn't even drinking much on holiday. Like the Coco Bongos one night. That was really fun. And we met this couple, and then this girl was like, because it's like a stage thing, and she was like, oh, like, come up, trying to go along with it, and we got put in this sort of like semicircle thing at the front of the stage, and it was like roped off, only 2 people allowed to stand up on that. It was just in front of everyone, and I was like, I'm getting out of here, I was like, I'm too sober. And then they were giving us loads of shots, and I was drunk by the end, I didn't mind it, but oh my god. Because I've told you at that time I was on a night out having a, this lad came at me. It was like, you are the worst dancer I've ever seen, and then just walked off. Like, it wasn't even like he was trying to like make conversation with me, he literally just wanted to tell me how bad I was. I was like, alright, Sam, what are you doing, Lucy? Yeah, have I never told you that before? Yeah, literally walked up to me and was like, you are the worst dancer I've ever seen. And I just walked straight off. I was like, right, mint, yes. Thanks for that. Go to the part I've been booking Loose Fest because it's in Newcastle. Wait, is Loose Festival in Newcastle? I don't know. Oh, wait, yeah, of course. Oh my god, it'd be unreal. That must be mad. Like, it's mad that they're organising festivals and stuff. That must be so difficult to do. Yes, there are. The only reason why it took so long is because we're changing like the packaging and stuff to match all the new branding. So it's taking a little longer than I was hoping for, but it will be back soon. No, I'm doing this one, Savannah. This is going to America. What would be your advice to somebody who wants to start a business? Ooh, I would just say do all your research. Kind of don't compare yourself to others, because everyone's going to be on their own journey, and just love like every moment of it, because there's going to be loads of ups, there's going to be loads of downs, and it's all part of the journey. Like, you're going to make mistakes. I still make so many mistakes now. But yeah, I mean, like, I feel like that's quite generic advice, but if you want anything more specific, let me know. But just stick it out as well, just stick it out. Don't compare yourself to others, because I think that can be really like, not damaging, but it can like really demotivate you.
I was going to say
demotivate. Great minds think alike. Yeah, not even that. It's like, it can just like, you might think, oh, I'm not where I should be, like I should be doing better kind of thing. It's not like that at all. I always think everyone is where they're meant to be in life. Not sound like a weapon, but like, I think you're on the path you're meant to be on. Ordered 70 pairs of lashes, can't wait for them to be delivered. Oh my god, Morgan, I'm sure I've packed yours. Do you recognise Morgan? Morgan, this is a yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, that's literally your order. What the hell? I knew I recognised your name as soon as it popped up. Why did you stick 2 stickers on? Because these are international orders. So you've got to put like a customs declaration form on. If they're going abroad. Oh my god, Morgan, you'll literally get those tomorrow as well. Yay, excited. 3 classics. Oh, all the way to America. There's loads of American ones, yeah.
I got, when I was doing all this yesterday, like 15 American ones in a row.
That's not 15 in a row?
That's literally all I was getting.
That's mad. It's because, right, obviously, the American orders all come in at the night time because of the time difference, so the American orders are always, like, together, so you get a big clump of, like, American orders at once. So this is sort of 3 pairs of classics. I'm so excited. I always wear them when I'm at work and get so many compliments on them. Oh my god, Morgan, what's your favourite style? Is he her boyfriend? No, he is my brother's best mate. He's my family friend.
Why aren't people think?
I know it's mad, isn't it? Claudia, I need help. LMAO, how do you print the label first? Do you have to weigh each one? No, okay, so Sophie, what I do is, oh my god, it gets so complicated. But I kind of know, so if it's a small parcel like this, and I know, so if I know it's 1 to 6 pair of lashes, I put large letter, 200 grams, I just click, I go through each and every one and click them all. All the ones that I know are tracked 48. Yeah, I just estimate all the weights. So I just put 200 grams for a large letter and 400 grams for a large parcel. So I just weighed one box and then I've just used that ever since. So it's probably like not that accurate, but as long as it's not, as long as the weight of the parcel's not over what you're writing in, it should be sound. It's so much easier that way, you know. I sort of get it. Thank you so much. This makes sense. Yeah. Let me know how you get on and give me a message on Insta if you can't manage it. Honestly, it makes it so much easier, you know, because Chloe was saying that as well. She was like, I weigh each individual parcel. I was like, oh my god, it must take so long to do that. Oh my god, no, it's fine. Don't be silly. Anytime. Anytime.
It's quite hot, like.
I know the sun is lush. Loving it. Loving it. Yeah, me too. I can't wait for summer. What's everyone's plans in summer, guys? Oh, I'm sure she's ordered a few times. Add her in. I'm trying to think. Add her in a Wispy Russians. I think she'll like the Wispy Russians. I always recognise your names, guys. Like when it's like, when you've bought up those. I'm like, oh, look at my friend. I'll write her a note as well. Be like, thanks so much for the order. Add an extra for you. I've got a little mix in April. I'm so jealous of who my friends are going. That'd be so fun. I've literally, what have I had planned this summer?
Probably just holidays that you
Yeah, definitely. And you know what? At the minute though, I've got no plans for summer. Oh, I'm going on holiday for my friend's sister-in-law's 30th birthday in a couple of months, actually. We're going to Lanzarote for the weekend. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll have a business trip.
That's what we'll call it.
Yeah, thanks so much again.